Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today I'm here at VVS Finance. You can see I'm still down significantly, but what we're going to look at today is they have a new feature, well, newish feature. All right, we could always stake the xVVS, but now we can use it to boost. All right, you can boost your earnings substantially. So let's go see how we can do that exactly. So let's first go to our farm and see what we're working with. All right, see we can boost two farms to maximize, all right, up to 3x. How do we do that? Well, you can see here I have some staked LP in this Crow VVS farm, and I want to get to there. 3x, which is 152%, which is really, really good. But I won't be able to get there without NFTs. Minor glitch in the system here. Hold on. We're just going to go see. Liquidity looks pretty good. All right, 106 million. Not bad. But let's go research how we do this exactly. So I'm going to click on this, plus or minus boost, and it takes us right over to the vault. Now you can see I do have a little bit here in the vault that's staked. So I'm going to switch over to the boost. And how do I boost? It gives me power to boost the farm depending on deposit amount and duration. Alright. Can simulate it. So let's go do that with the calculator. This is pretty cool. So this is how much I have in about 41 bucks in xVVS. I'm going to say 7 days. What's my boost? Boost my farm. Alright. Let's see. Boost farming. Oops. Let's go back to the calculator again. Messed up. Back to the boost and calculate. And okay, by locking VVS, okay, I want to do the max. I don't want to go too long. Let's do 7 days just to see how this thing works. All right. So I can, APR from xVVS Vault is 6%. It's only for 7 days, so a big deal. All right. So I'm going to boost by 6%. That doesn't seem like a lot, does it, guys? That doesn't even really seem like it's worth it. So let's go back and change it to 6 months. And we have 11.93, which is better. I wouldn't say it's great, but all right, let's go 1 year, 24, 4 years, 117. So in 4 years, who knows what's going to happen in crypto land? Yeah, that's tough. All right. So not sure I'm going to execute this option. I might try 7 days. All right. Now it's time to boost the farm. Preview performance with the boost factor. Alrighty. Plus under LP. Yeah, this calculator is not easy to use, okay? So it's going to boost me a little. Let's go put this into practice potentially. We're live. NFT is next. We're going to see what that is about. So I have $2.59 I can harvest. And not letting me go all the way down, so I want to say boost. So there we go, from 50 to almost 80%. That's pretty decent, okay? Of course. It costs money. It costs Crow to do this. Well, why wouldn't it? Alright, I'm going to reject that. So 25%. It's going up about from 50 to 79, about almost 30% boost. Is that worth it for the stake I have here of $25? Probably not at this point in time. I'm not going to activate the boost, but had I, we could get better rates. If I had more invested, I probably would, but I'm already down significantly here from $1,500 to $100. That's what we call in crypto bad. So, alright. So let's go see what's this about the NFT stake boost. I don't have any NFTs over here, but I have some crypto. No, doesn't want me to take me there. So, okay, whatever, fine. Go back to the dashboard. Okay, so if you guys have a lot staked up in here, you have a lot riding on it, it could be worth it potentially to do the boost and lock it up for long term. At this point, we're going to need to see a major rally in Bitcoin to get a return on investment and to get our capital back. It may never come back. It's hard to say. But the next IGO that they're planning to do, I'm not sure when the next one's going to come out. The past couple have spiked in the beginning and then kind of went down pretty quick. So like Minted. Yeah, Minted is the last one they've done, and not sure when the next one is going to be again. So be sure to subscribe and stay tuned, and we're going to crack the code on this VVS Finance sooner or later, as long as they're around anyway. Alright guys, thanks for watching.